Now, the next feature that we are going to look into detail for Google Sheets is filtering data. Before going on for the hands-on activity, let us see exactly what is filtering. So as you are able to see over here, filtering is an option in Google Sheets that help you locate the data you wish and hide the rest. That means suppose in the real life, when we are having a bulk amount of data or a huge or a vast amount of data, searching one data from that particular thing is very time consuming. So in order to do our task very easily, there is a thing called as filtering in Google Sheets. So how does filtering help us? Let us have a look by doing some hands-on activity on the Google Sheets over here. Now as you are able to see, again I will be doing Control Z. Now as you are able to see over here, this is the table. I have just applied a particular border and I will be just doing the text alignment as what center. I am I am interested only those particular students who have secured 45 or above marks in the subject of maths. So how to go ahead? Again, the condition that I am looking for is that the student should have scored at least above 44 marks or exactly equal to what 45 marks in the subject of maths. So step number one, go on data. You are able to see over here an option called as create a filter. So I require to click over there. As soon as I click over here, you will be able to see a down arrow or a drop down menu comes over there. So we have to click on the drop down menu and clear all and just scroll down over here, filter by condition. So what is the condition? Greater than or equal to what? 45. One more time. Filter by condition. What is the condition? Greater than or equal to 45 and scroll down over here. You require to click on the OK option. So as I'm clicking on OK option, you are able to see only two students are there who have scored at least 45 marks in the subject of maths, and they are Jill and Joe. The remaining column is hidden. So what you are able to see over here, that locates the data you wish and hide the rest. So all the remaining data, that is roll number 1, roll number 4 and roll number 5 data are hidden, and I am only able to see the data of roll number 2 and roll number 3. Now how to remove the filter? Over here, go on data, remove filter. Done one more time. Now this time I am interested only those particular students who have secured above 40 in computers. So select the entire table, go on data, create a filter. The drop down appears over here, filter by condition. What is the condition? Should be greater than what? Greater than 45. So if there is any student who have secured greater than 45 in computers, I will be able to see yes, it is roll number 3. And now you are able to see all the remaining rows, that is 1, 2, 4 and 5 are hidden. And again from here also you are able to remove the filters. Done. So what is basically a filter? A filter is a type of thing that helps us to hide the remaining thing, and only displays the things that we are interested in. So there are three types of filters you are able to see: auto filter, custom filter and advanced filter. It is used to filter a column or a row to view the data based on specified criteria based on multiple conditions, and it is used to filter the data based on complex criteria. Done. So now I will be able to see over here, if now one more time, first we are going for auto filter. So in auto filter, go on data tab, click on create a filter. The drop down appears over there. Uncheck the boxes. So which boxes they are talking about? They are talking about these particular part. Directly click on clear. All the data will be cleared, and then click on the OK button. Now suppose if I require only those particular kids who have secured 27, I will be scrolling down one more time. Clear all. I am interested only in the student who have secured 25. So you are able to see only 25 is highlighted. The remaining data has been hidden. Done. So this is the way in which we are able to apply auto filter. Then going for the custom filter. The custom filter is nothing but again where we can give customized formula. We have already seen how to apply the customized formula over here. So select the data, go on data tab, create a filter. After creating a filter, we require to clear all and we require to click on filter by condition. So greater than 40. Again, just click on OK. So you are able to see none of the students have secured greater than 40. So it is not showing over here. Let me uncheck and check whether my conditions were correct or not. Greater than 40, there is 1. 46, it should be highlighted. One more time I'm trying. Clear all, filter by condition. Greater than 40. Scroll down, click on OK. I have to remove it. Selecting the entire table one more time. Data. Create a filter. Filter by conditions. Greater than or equal to 40. Now we are able to see the remaining part. I was not selecting the table, hence it was not showing. The basic condition is that we are required to select the entire table first. I was not selecting the table, hence the thing was not coming. Say one more time, select the entire table. This time I'll be focusing on the max marks. Max mark should be greater than 40 or greater than 35. Select the entire table, go on data, create a filter, go on maths, let the things be checked, directly go on filter by condition, greater than, this time I will be selecting suppose 35 and click on OK. So you will be able to see all the students also have scored above 45 in maths are highlighted. How to remove the filter, directly go from here and remove it. So this is the way in which we are able to apply the options for filter. Remember, filter and sorting are two different options, my dear kids.